your host, Dan Rojas. In this video, we are going to be doing a simplified version of Schlieren Photography that I kind of came up with last night sitting on the couch. I had a small bathroom mirror, soldering iron, and a camera, and I was able to get the results. Schlieren Photography was discovered in 1864 by a German physicist. That original process uses two very accurate parabolic mirrors, a light source, a subject emitting heat. It's a very complex setup that requires precision accuracy. In later years, Schlieren Photography was modified using a single parabolic mirror and a light source close to the camera. Both methods require a sharp object like a razor to separate half of the lens. Color Schlieren Photography uses a color filter over it. This setup that I'm going to be showing you today produces fairly good results. You can see the shock wave from a balloon popping at 1200 frames per second. You can see the carbonated gas released when opening a bottle. Acetone releasing some of its vapor. You can also see the heat signature of a soldering iron. To do this, all you really need is a parabolic mirror. The larger the parabolic mirror, the better off your results are going to be because you can cover a larger area. It doesn't have to really be a big parabolic mirror. These are our parabolic mirrors. This is one that I've used for a lot of solar projects that we make. The secret to Schlieren Photography, I'm not using anything to split the lens. This is a whole new way of doing it. Get a light source and you focus it right into the lens of the camera. Now you don't want to use the sun because you'll burn your camera up, but a compact fluorescent bulb works really good. Once you have that light signature, you want to zoom out and you want the bulb to be halfway down the middle. You zoom in as far as you can on that. What it's going to do is the zoom is going to give you a graduated effect. Once you have that effect, you want to focus on the object. Now, we do not focus directly on the object here. What I do to get the second parabolic effect is to focus on the reflection of the object off of the parabolic mirror. Your focal length can be longer from your camera because you bounce off of the mirror and you focus back here. It does work if you focus directly on it. It's more effective if you focus back here. You're going to have to move the mirror around a little bit to see the best results, but it works very easily. This setup took me 5 minutes to do. Took me about an hour to figure out last night. Never seen anyone do Schlieren Photography this way. It actually gives you pretty good results. This is the easy way of doing Schlieren Photography. It'll work with smaller parabolic mirrors. It'll work with bathroom mirrors if their optics are good. Some of them are really not that great. This one, pretty good. It's a pretty interesting way of doing it. I'm your host, Dan Rojas. Thank you for watching and enjoy our videos.